Hello guys, we are Real here, back with our new video. Here we show you some hacks that might prove helpful. In last video we saw how to get big icons on your phones, and in today's video we will help you to acquire password of almost every airport Wi-Fi. Yeah, you heard it right. So here the airport Wi-Fi can help you out with a speed of more than 1 Gbps. So just watch this video till the end and follow the steps as shown. So firstly, open Google on your phone. Yeah, then simply search Google Airport Wi-Fi on it. And open the first link as shown. Now you'll see a world map with different airport locations. Yeah, then just tap on any airport location. It will provide you with the name of the Wi-Fi along with the password. Now you can enjoy unlimited internet for free. Please do like and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video.